Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing what truly matters on your home screens. Pick 1 to 3 essential apps per category so each swipe delivers value. Once done, create a dedicated home page for daily tools and pin those apps to the dock. This prevents accidental clutter. Make sure to enable gestures or shortcuts because quick actions reduce taps. These first moves set a strict organizing rule. Fewer apps visible, faster access, and you'll build the rest around this minimal core. You now create folders and label them with single-word clarity. Work media tools so scanning is instant. Once folders exist, drag and drop apps into them, then sort each folder by frequency, most used on the left or top. Make sure to place high-priority folders in the top rows and dock. Lower priority goes further back. Also, use 2 or 3 home pages, one for daily essentials, one for weekly tasks, and one overflow for occasional apps. This keeps visual load low and behavior consistent. You finish by refining. Audit apps every 2-4 weeks and uninstall or archive anything unused for 30 days because maintenance prevents chaos. Once refined, add a search-enabled app drawer or a small widget for multi-app shortcuts to cut taps further. If the layout ever resets or icons shuffle, don't panic. Check your launcher settings, restore from a launcher backup, and make sure automatic cleaners aren't clearing app data. These final checks lock in a stable, efficient setup you can rely on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.